Hey guys, grab your coffee or tea, whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax. I'm going to beautify my refrigerator. Alright guys, here we go. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison. Welcome to my home once again. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how I have beautified my fridge. Now, I'm not showing you the inside process because I have literally been up since 7:30 this morning cleaning out this refrigerator, only because I had a bag of blueberries in here and I had double bagged the blueberries, but for some reason there was blueberry juice everywhere. So when I came down and opened it up and saw the mess, I just started cleaning. And I did not think about sharing the process, not think about sharing until after I started to add the beauty to this refrigerator. So I'm basically just gonna go in and show you what I have done to beautify my refrigerator. All right guys, stick around, keep watching as I share with you what I've done. I'm in the fridge and organizing it. So I've pretty much washed it all out. Now it's the organizing process. I put things back and I remembered that I had purchased these fridge bins liners. So what I'm going to do is pull some of the bins out and then go back and restock, and then I will share with you guys again the finished product. I have been working on this fridge since about 7:30 this morning. It is 10:19. I had some blueberries in here and they just got all over the refrigerator. So I've literally had to do a clean, changed our water filter. So now I am going to add these liners in here and just see how it looks, and then I'll share that with you. But this is just a quick overview of how I have organized my refrigerator. And these are some extra bins that I purchased from, I think, like TJ Maxx. Here has like the little drawer and then separate little compartments here, a little place for the cheese. Now all of these are extra little bins that I purchased to go inside of the refrigerator. These are the originals, things such as this egg pool. I purchased that from TJ Maxx as well. Also the little carousel here. So I'm working on it, and I will be right back to show you the final reveal. So what I have to do is cut these down to size. As you can see, the blue and white is here, and then it has like the I don't know what you call this. It's to keep it from slipping and sliding. So it has that extra texture on the back. So I've measured to size, and I'm going to go in and cut this right about here. So for this shelf here, too narrow to go horizontal. So what I'm going to do is do them vertically and then go back in and cut off so that it will fit in here, and then I will lay another strip here. So the fridge liners that I used includes there were 6 in this package for $7.99 at TJ Maxx. Includes 6 by 12 by 24 inch liners, and they work very well. So I am going to take this opportunity to share with you what my fridge looks like now. I did not think to record this until after I thought about the decorative part. The part of putting these liners in. I have completely forgotten about these. So as I remembered, then I thought, hey, this may be a great way to share. literally take out every single thing that was in this refrigerator and wash it down. I mean, it was blueberries here, back in the back. And literally I had the container, I think, sitting on this shelf here. So I am not sure how all of that happened, but this is the final view of my refrigerator. Okay guys, let me bring you in for a closer view. My fridge looks amazing. Now let's talk about the benefits of using fridge liners. One, they will protect the interior of your refrigerator from spills and messes. I'm a witness. Hopefully there will not be a next time of a leak or a spill as I had. But if I do, hopefully these liners will save me several hours of work. Like, I literally worked this refrigerator, cleaned it, everything had to come out. I did not have to go to the bottom freezer part of it, but in here, yes, I had to clean. So while it makes your cleaning easier, it will also help to protect your fruits and vegetables and keep them separate from your meats or cheeses. As you saw, I had little extra bins that I used to put my cheeses in.
Thanks so much for
guys,
watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm your host, Styling with Gigi Face.
So guys, just another tip, you can also use shelf liners to organize items in your fridge. They also will help in keeping your fruits and vegetables separate from your meats, as well as giving a little pizzazz in your refrigerator. Now, as far as cost-wise, I'm not sure if it's more to use the fridge liners versus the shelf liners, but I just thought that these fridge liners gave my refrigerator that luxe look by adding the fridge liners. Made it look really, really good. So I'm happy that I went this way.